Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. Let us see what is coming up, guys. So today's reading is going to be different, Leos. I'll be picking one card for your past, one card for your present, and one card for your future. And we will turn the cards as we go, guys. So this is your past card, whatever was your past energy. This is your present, whatever is happening today, guys. This is your future, Leos. So for your past, forgiveness. Leos, the past energy for you all, guys. We all have certain regrets in life, and we hold so many grudges, and we want to take revenge on somebody, and we are always trapped in the cycle of anger and resentment. So it is a time for us to learn to forgive others and also forgive ourselves and get out of that cycle of blame and anger, guys. So forgiving does not mean you have to forget what has been done. It is just learning the lesson and trying to move on with your present life. So maybe if you have some regrets because of certain mistakes that you did, you need to forgive yourself for that lovingly, and you need to also forgive the other person who has wronged you. So when you do that, when you forgive yourself and when you forgive others, you begin to heal. So maybe for some of you all, you have forgiven somebody for their mistake and you have healed from it, or your past energy is that maybe today you're moving towards healing, or the angels are guiding you to heal. So that is the energy for your past, guys. What you need to do for your past, nurture your dreams. This is your present. So what is happening today? So we all have dreams and hopes, and we have a different purpose in our life. So sometimes we have that gut feeling about certain things, something which touches us deep down, which we are really passionate about, which we have a great yearning that we want to become. So those aspects we have to those aspects denote our unique self. So whatever we are made for, some of us have a general liking towards some creative arts, or some of us are great speakers, some of us are great cooks, something which we love, something which we really are passionate about, and where we feel we have the greatest potential. So you need to align your life along those lines, whatever you have, whatever you feel you are made to do. So you need to follow your dreams, guys. So that is the energy here. Whatever you dream for yourself, you need to follow. Whatever you want yourself to be, whatever you are naturally drawn to, you should take that activity in your life, that kind of work in your life, or that thing which you do out of love and passion. So when you do that, it will help you realize the purpose of your life. So that is the energy for today, guys, Leos. So let us see what is your future. It's an angel card. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that we are being guided by angels, guys. And sometimes maybe in your future you may be facing some conflicts, or some kind of uh, legal matters. So you need to face all that with harmony and fairness in all things. So how to do that? You have to have that clarity of thought. You have to settle your emotions. When you do that, when you see that particular situation with clarity and without being emotional, you get a better understanding of the situation and you see the truth in that situation, guys, and it will automatically lead you to the correct way of dealing things. So that is what the uh, guidance for your future. So whatever is coming up, whatever challenges, you need to be really resolute, to be fair, to have that harmony and balance within yourself when you are in that particular situation. That will help you find the remedy, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So that is the reading for your Leos. I hope you like this reading. If this reading really resonated with you all, please comment, and if you like this reading, please comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.